Hello everyone, welcome back. So, why we need Java 8? Okay, we have seen what are the new features came as part of Java 8, and before that we need to know why do we need to use Java 8. Okay, the first thing is improving application performance without any specific work or tuning. Okay, you can make a small tweaks and tricks to make your code more efficient in Java 8. And another important thing, the Lambda expressions and the streams API. Okay, so that Lambda expression is has its own functionality and the stream API it has its own methods. But when you combine the Lambda expression with a stream, and it's going to your code is more efficient. The way because when you compare your previous code and when you modify the same code into Java 8, you'll realize the performance how it is tuning. Okay, and the new methods on existing classes are some of the key productivity improvements. And the new optional, that is one of the greatest feature in Java 8. So it will give the significant flexibility for the developers who's dealing with null values. When you Because as a developer we always end up with a null pointer exception or null values. Okay, so when you're using Java 8, it's reducing the likelihood of NP issue. Okay, when you really implementing Java 8, you will get to know why the optional is more efficient. And as I said earlier, the time API changes because we are going to talk a lot about time APIs in the later sessions. So what changes in Java 8? This we already seen the fewer lines of code, because if you're writing 5 or 6 lines or minimum 10 number of lines of code in previous versions of Java, but in Java 8 it can be done within a 2 or 3 lines. And more important thing is Java 8 embracing the immutable objects, because we'll end up with a lot of issues when the mutable objects are in place. Okay, and the lambda expressions. So this is the syntax for the lambda expression. Here is the simple list of string names is equal to, within the close brackets, open and close brackets, I have a variable name called name and hyphen and the greater than symbol. SOP is nothing but it's a system.out.println and the name. I'll explain what is lambda expression and why it is looks like something different. We'll see in the next slide. And another greatest implementation, as we already discussed, the functional interfaces, because we have a lot of functional interfaces. We are going to see each and everything in upcoming videos. And the streams API. So why lambda? How it is looks like? How we are trying to understand the lambdas? The first things, the first, the close and the open and close brackets indicates this is the input parameters. So the number of parameters which you are passing inside this particular open and close brackets, that is input parameters. And the hyphen and the greater than symbol, that is a token that indicates this is a lambda expressions. And after that there is another open and close brackets which is nothing but our implementation. You can simply say it is in a body of a simple method. In earlier versions of Java, you cannot assign a functionality to a variable. Okay, we have to write a function and we have to return the data. But here in Java 8, you can create a variable and you can write an implementation for that. You can have a body for that. Okay, we will see everything in our practical sessions. So let's see, let's meet each other in the next video. Before we are moving into the Java 8, directly jumping into Java 8, let's see the difference between Java's previous versions of Java and Java 8. Let's see with simple example, and thank you.